This is a pretty handy little device to travel with. It comes with two. You get a black one and a red one. And let's say you got some character that you want to keep outside of the door. This is going to work on both interior doors and exterior doors, and it's going to do a couple of things for you. First, let's find one that fits onto the type of door we have, and this one should work fine. And this metal part is going to go here into the door part, and then you're just going to close the door. So we'll move this water bowl, and we'll set this into the place here, and we'll close the door. And when we do that, it's going to do two things. It's going to create this to give this some structure, so now this is going to stay put. We can come up here and insert this guy, and that's going to stop anybody from pushing that door open. But this metal bar is also going to defeat anybody that might stick something in there to try to push your door open through the lock mechanism. So this is kind of a twofold security thing, and as you can see, that ruffian is trying to push the door open. It's not going to work physically, but now I can move this. I can open the door and remove it. It doesn't leave any marks, and we can get back to our friends outside. Hope this helps.